welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this is an unboxing video about mechanical pencil. I bought this mechanical pencil by Kuru Toga. It's made in Japan by Mitsubishi, I guess. That is so unique that the pencil nib will always remain sharp. How to achieve it? This 0.5 mm pencil nib will always spin at certain amount of degree whenever you lift this pencil nib from the surface of the paper. Now, look at this orange color, there's a symbol there. I will demonstrate. Whenever I press onto it, it will start to spin at certain degree. It will try to spin whenever you lift this pencil nib away from your paper. This is exceptionally brilliant and useful when you need to solve very long equations for mathematics, for example. Okay, so I will leave the link there so that if you are interested, you check it out. They have a whole range of product and they serve everyone's budget. I hope this video helps you. That's all from me. I hope you will press like button, subscribe, and that's all. Bye-bye.